11 says factor, and we're going to factor this not by the x box because there's 4 terms, and not by just factoring out because not all of them have the same factor. But how are we going to factor this one out?
Is it the one where you put it x in the, you put 30 in the corner?
Don't know what you're saying, but Kendall already said the answer. Now she's not answering. Lame. All right, so this is factor what? This is factor by grouping. Yeah, so this is factor by grouping. So that's where you have to group them into 2 pairs, right? So x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x minus 30. So now I have 2 groups, right? That's why it's called factor by grouping. I have groupinged my my terms. Okay, so then once I've grouped them, now I'm going to take out the greatest common factor from each group. So what is the greatest common factor in my first group here? X squared, that's right. I factor out x squared from the first group, what's left? X minus 6, that's right. Now I'm going to take out the greatest common factor from my second group, which is 5. Positive 5 or negative 5? Yeah, positive 5, just leave it positive. So plus 5. And if I factor out the 5, what's going to be left? X minus 6, right? And it has to be positive 5 because what's left in your parentheses, they have to match up, all right? And then from here, that pretty much gives you your answer because you're just going to be left with x squared plus 5, right? Because I'm going to factor out the x minus 6. And x minus 6. You see that? And that is your answer right there.